Are you struggling with prop firms? This is going to be one of the best support resistant videos you're ever going to see, and that, I know that's a strong statement, but if you stick through this whole video, you know exactly why I'm going to say that. This is a brand new YouTube channel, guys, and I'm going to be making daily videos, uploads, live trades on personal accounts as well as prop firms, doing chart breakdowns, touching on psychology, showing different strategies, the best of the best entry methods, and yeah, so just making prop firms look easy. So okay, without wasting any time, let's get straight into this. So I've already marked up these support and resistance levels. Now what is support and resistance, guys? Okay, simple way, I'm just going to be speaking as if I'm teaching to a 5-year-old, right? Okay, resistance, we've got the roof, right, with the most touches. Remember that. Support, we create a floor with the most touches, respected, right? These are respected key levels. Okay, gold, the more notorious gold that everyone likes to trade, but not everyone's able to do that. Okay, I've already drawn these levels. So why? First of all, look at these touches here. 1, let's get straight into this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I've missed one here. 8. So now we know this is a respected key area. So now if I draw a key level, put a line here. So what level was this? A 2031.370. We'll round it up, call it about 400. So now we know this is a key area where price is respected. Again, look, it goes on, guys. It even goes on here. I mean, look at this. If we were to enter the trade from here, it would give us a 1 to 11, which means that if we were on a $100,000 prop firm account, we would have risked 1,000. We would have made around almost $12,000 in profit. But coming back to the point, guys. Okay, price respected this resistance. This is the first time it was a resistance, was created. Price broke through and it came back down. Now it's support, shot back up. Remember, this was the roof. Then here it became the floor as support, broke through. Now this is a respected area as well, but not as that strong. Now it was respected here, but does that mean we enter from here? I want to go into that, but no, I want to keep this video short, simple, around 8 minutes. So let's get through this as quickly as possible, as much detail as I can provide, as much detail as well. Okay, price breaks through, comes back down. Now okay, if this was respected in the past, why did it why was it not respected again? Now obviously nothing is perfect when it comes to trading. Price broke through, okay, came back to retest this area, this roof. First it was the floor, remember, broke through. Now it's the roof and it comes tumbling back down. Now you're gonna be like, okay, what should I look for? What signs should I look for to know is price gonna hold? Are these floors, which floors are the strongest and which roofs are the strongest? Well, okay, let's break this down then. The way it works, guys, is candlestick patterns. These are okay. First of all, these are 15-minute floors, 15-minute roofs. The bigger the time frame, the stronger the floor, the stronger the roof. So if I went on to the 4-hour time frame, right, if I just, because I'm in playback mode, okay, so this is, if I zoom back in now on the 4-minute, it's not that clear. You'd be like, okay, but it changes the whole, you wouldn't know, okay, you wouldn't exactly have these points as the key levels, right? Because we're looking at the 15-minute time frame, you have a more clear picture, right? Now one more thing, guys, before I show entries. It's not always about where price touches, right? It's also about it's also about, look at this, wick, where the wicks touch, wick rejections. Now this is not even, I've drawn these 2 circles as 2 rejections, but now because look at that, but there's more than 2 rejections. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got this one here, the wicks were above. 2, 3. So you got altogether 4 there. You got 1, 2, 3 here. That's 7. So this is a respected. Look at this wick rejection here. Price came back down, but the buyers were stronger. They pushed through, but it shows this is still getting respected. Look at this little wick here, still getting respected. Price came back down, wick here, wanted to come back up, still being respected. So this level here, which is, if I look at it again, the 2031 point, what I mentioned last time was around 800 or 750, if you want to call it, approximately. So this is a respected area. So whenever price comes to these areas, You know, this is where we want to show interest to buy or sell. But okay, what I was saying before, how would we know about entries? You have to look at the candlesticks. The candlesticks will always give the clues. You break time frame down, now which I've already done. Look at this candlestick here. If I break it down even more, let's go to the 2 minutes, small time frame, right? Look at this, guys. This is why learning the forex language, the candlestick, is very important. Price comes down, we get this bearish doji, right? We get this bearish doji with a bullish engulfing candle. This is a signal now to buy. The price, you know, where price closed, look at this body of this candle, this blue candle here, the buyers, and look at the size comparison to the bearish candle, the sellers. Huge difference, right? So this is a buy, this is a signal to buy. We buy from here, and also on top of that, the second confluence, that same respected area, 1 touch, 2 touch, it's made multiple touches as well. So respected area, this is the floor that we're looking at to buy from. We know it's a good area to enter the trade from. We take the trade along with our engulfing candle. We get a nice 1 to 6 on a $100,000 account. You've just made 6 grand in amount. Let's look at how much if you were entered in amount of 56 minutes. You know, $6,000 in less than an hour. I wouldn't mind that. Okay, price comes back up, right? Now we've got this resistance level. If you look at the 15 minute, we go back. Now, okay, why is this a respected ceiling, right? The roof, because look at this. Price made a, you know, is respected here, but if you do this, now look at this, guys, it goes all the way back. It keeps going actually, right? It's shown at this level as well. Price respects this area, which is the, I would say about 2039.200. Look, Wick Rejections. Every time, you know, price, look at this perfect touch here. The wick came to exactly this price point, touched the line and shoots back up. Again, same here. You know, the wicks are touching the line and they shoot back down. So we know this is, look at this perfect here. Price came back down, created an engulfing and just shot off. So this is a respected area. When we come back down here, okay, but why would I enter this trade? Or how would I enter this trade, right? You go back, you break the candlesticks down, and look what it gives us. A nice shooting star, rejection, long wick, bearish candle. This is, look, no wick at the bottom. Let me just delete this here, the previous. Okay, no wick at the bottom. So this is a strong selling candle. Okay, not just that, guys. Look what else it gives us. Let's say it gives us an evening star. Look at this free candlestick pattern he formed here. A strong selling, you know, candlestick pattern. You could take the trade from this here after this candle, the third candle formed, or you could take this, you know, soon after the first candle selling bearish candle formed. You take the trade. How much would that give us? Look, it just keeps tanking. A nice 1 to 7. You know, look at that. A nice 1 to 7. You would have risked 1 grand on a $100,000 prop firm account. You would have made 7,000 back. How long did that trade take us? That took us around 3 hours and 10 minutes. Not bad at all. So price just keeps going. Now I hope this example, I don't want to make the video too long, guys, so just keep it nice and simple for you guys. So let's just keep getting to, and look at that. Look at the way it just respects. Even here, guys, look at this entry over here. Look at this entry over here. You made an entry over here. This would have given, for 1% risk on a $100,000 prop firm account, you would have made $11,000, almost $12,000 back, like I mentioned earlier. And look at this. Even this is a respected area, right? And look at this wick here. Comes up, price comes in this area, and it just shoots bound down. What's this key level here? Yeah, 2025.400 almost 450, but I'll say about 400 area. Look, price wick. The wick touches the line, comes back down. Wick touches the line, comes back up. Again here, rejection. Again, rejection. You know, it's, I mean, look at these three rejection wicks here. Rejection. This, you know, maybe because of news, I'm not exactly, though obviously this is in the past, so I'm thinking maybe news would have done this. Huge price, you know, just to stop everyone out. So obviously people would have seen this area here, and everyone will be like, oh yeah, you know, I'm going to enter the trade from here. And don't know why I brought on that. Everyone would have put their stops below here. News would have come and stopped everyone out. But that's just the way, you know, just the way trading is, guys. It's part of the game. But I mean, look at all these wins. On this one day, you would have got 7% profit. On this day, you would have got 6% profit. On this day, 11, almost 12% profit. You know, on this day, you maybe would have made a loss, but so what? Okay, you made one loss. Remember, you only trade once for the day, guys. Only one trade for the day. That's it. So I hope this was helpful, and if you want me to make more videos on support and resistance, I would love to and help you guys out. So yeah, let me know. Take care.